Inauguration just days away. President-elect Joe Biden is getting ready to take office during a very difficult time. The country's divided. Hundreds of thousands are dying of the COVID-19, and the vaccine distribution effort hasn't been the greatest. It's been kind of chaotic. Ahead of his speech tonight, laying out his response, WMAR2 News' Abby Isaacs heard from members of the Biden-Harris COVID-19 Advisory Board about how the new administration plans to approach the pandemic.
The COVID-19 Advisory Board members say the Biden-Harris administration has put an emphasis on science-based decisions and accelerating vaccine distribution. President-elect Joe Biden is set to talk this evening about his vaccination plan and economic relief package in response to the pandemic. Ahead of his address, Johns Hopkins hosted a webcast with some of the administration's COVID-19 Advisory Board members to discuss priorities and challenges in their efforts to stem the pandemic.
Vaccines, to therapeutics, to diagnostics, to other public health recommendations, everything is going to be informed by science.
With an emphasis on science, the board's been tasked with giving recommendations to stop the spread and build up public health infrastructure.
Recognizing how taxed our clinics and communities really have been as a result of COVID-19.
The Biden-Harris administration also wants to accelerate vaccine distribution.
Our focus is to get as many people vaccinated as soon as possible
by making it easier to understand and execute, targeting everyone over age 65. Biden aiming for 100 million vaccinations in his first 100 days.
We're not going to be holding back second doses of vaccine. We're going to be releasing nearly all with a small buffer left over.
Board members say the administration is also focused on a stimulus and reopening the country safely.
And ensure that American economies and schools and businesses could still get up and running again, but not at putting anyone at undue risk of COVID-19.
The administration has also created an equity task force to focus on communities hardest hit by COVID-19 to address disparities and concerns. Biden is set to speak at 7:15 this evening. For WMAR2 News, I'm Abby Isaacs.